HubSpot's free CRM platform helps acquire users, yet its Marketing Hub Professional starts at $890 a month. Understand the foot in the door technique. This psychology builds trust by offering a free service, like Grammarly's basic grammar tool. According to a Chart Mogul 2026 study, opt-in free trials convert at an average of 8.9%. Start applying this strategy to your app today. Next, explore HubSpot's free CRM platform. It includes contact management and basic reporting. However, its main limitation is HubSpot branding. Upgrade to Marketing Hub Professional for $890 per month, plus a $3,000 onboarding fee. Additionally, examine Canva's free tool. It offers 1.6 million templates and 5 GB storage. Its main limitation involves paywalled premium assets and heavily gated AI tools like Magic Write, limited to 50 lifetime uses. Upgrade to Canva Pro for $144 per year. Now let's analyze Grammarly's free software. It provides basic spelling and grammar, plus 100 AI prompts monthly. Its main limitation involves paywalled full sentence rewrites and plagiarism checks. Upgrade to Grammarly Pro for $144 annually per member. Finally, apply these strategies to your business. Offer a genuinely useful free service, then identify a clear upgrade path. Organic signups convert at the highest rates, according to a January 2026 survey of 200 software products. Set up a free tier with specific value. You now understand how HubSpot, Canva, and Grammarly use the foot in the door technique. Check out our next video on pricing strategies.